Have you ever noticed that even after you spend hours cleaning your house, it still doesn't feel calm? You sit on the couch, look around, and your mind just can't rest. Imagine walking to your front door after a long, exhausting day, hoping for a sense of relief, but instead, your eyes dart from one object to another. Scientists call this visual stress. Every single object in your room is constantly demanding your brain's attention, draining your daily energy without you even realizing it. The truth is, your home shouldn't demand your effort. It should support your life. Today, we are breaking down 15 minimalist home decor rules that will instantly transform your space from a source of anxiety into a sanctuary of peace. And no, it's not about living in an empty white box. And it's definitely not about spending thousands of dollars on a major makeover. It's about a secret shift in design and mindset that most people completely miss. Let's unlock it together, step by step. Rule number 1, clear first, decorate later. The absolute biggest mistake people make is buying minimal decor while their old clutter is still sitting right there. Pick just one room today. Strip every single surface bare, tables, shelves, countertops. Then only bring back what serves a clear purpose or brings real, genuine comfort. If an item needs an explanation to justify its existence, it simply doesn't belong there. Which brings us to rule number 2. Choose fewer colors and repeat them. Too many colors, even when they appear in small items, create immense visual noise. Pick 2 main neutral colors and 1 soft accent. Repeat them deliberately across the room, in your curtains, your rugs, and your pillows. It's not about making everything match perfectly. It's about making everything feel like it belongs to the same story. Rule number 3, let your furniture breathe. Crowded furniture layouts choke a room and make it feel heavy. Think about it. When things are pushed tight against the walls, the room feels boxed in. Pull your couch slightly away from the wall. Leave space between your pieces. In minimalism, the space between the objects is actually much more important than the objects themselves. Let the air flow. Rule number 4. Keep wall decor simple and purposeful. Don't feel the urge to fill every blank wall with gallery frames or crowded shelves. Choose one clear idea per wall. A single large artwork, a clean mirror that bounces light, or even absolutely nothing. Empty wall space is unfinished. It's a powerful, intentional design choice. Rule number 5. Use storage that blends in. Visible. Open storage can easily look chaotic to the human eye. Instead, opt for built-in cabinets, hidden compartments, or neutral baskets that seamlessly match your wall color. When your storage disappears into the room, the entire space immediately feels lighter, wider, and much more open. Rule number 6. Let natural light lead your design. Light shapes a room more than any expensive piece of luxury furniture. Ditch heavy, dark drapes that block the sun. Instead, use soft linen curtains that allow natural daylight to gently filter into your home. A well-lit room always looks cleaner, and it instantly calms your nervous system after a stressful day. Rule number 7. Rethink decorative objects. Take a close look at everything sitting on your shelves right now. Ask yourself, does this item add real value to my daily life? If the answer isn't a definitive yes, let it go. One meaningful heirloom or a single beautifully shaped vase has 100 times more power than 5 cheap plastic knickknacks bought on a whim. Now, you might be thinking, won't a minimalist home look cold, boring, or sterile? That's where rule number 8 comes in. Use texture instead of decoration. Bring in soft linen curtains, woven cotton throws, raw wood grain, stone surfaces, or clay pottery. Texture adds incredible depth and physical warmth without adding visual clutter. It makes a room feel lived in, cozy, and deeply comforting. Rule number 9. Plants bring life without noise. Plants are the ultimate minimalist decor hack. They soften sharp, modern lines, improve your indoor air quality, and add life without causing a single drop of visual distraction. But remember the core rule. Choose fewer plants and care for them well. One healthy, stunning statement plant is infinitely better than 10 tiny, struggling ones spread across the room. Rule number 10. Create empty spaces on purpose. This might feel highly uncomfortable at first because we are conditioned from childhood to fill every empty square inch of our homes. But leaving an open floor area, a completely bare corner near a window, or an empty shelf gives your eyes a place to rest. An empty space is not a waste of square footage. It is a dedicated zone for your mental peace. When your home can breathe, you can breathe too. Rule 11. Keep daily items easy to access. Minimalism must be highly practical for real life. Don't hide your daily essentials under 5 layers of decorative boxes just to look tidy for a photo. Organize them simply right where you actually use them. True minimalism supports your real, chaotic daily routines, not an idealized lifestyle picture. To make the sense of calm work for you in the long run, you need these last 4 crucial rules. Rule 12. Edit regularly. Don't try to completely redecorate your home every season. Instead, just spend 10 minutes every few months looking around and gently removing what naturally accumulated over time. Homes evolve beautifully when clutter is allowed to leave. Rule 13. Avoid trends that don't fit your life. Fast interior trends fade very quickly. A calm home lasts for years because it's built entirely on function and comfort, not temporary fashion. If a trend doesn't suit your everyday habits, just ignore it. Rule 14. Let imperfection exist. A slightly worn leather chair, a scratch on a wooden table, or a handmade ceramic bowl with uneven edges adds true soul and honesty to a space. A real, comforting home should feel human, not staged like a cold museum. And finally, Rule 15. Understand that a calm home supports a calm life. Minimalism isn't a weekend project that you finish and forget. Your home is the outer reflection of your inner mind. By choosing less, you are actually gaining so much more. It is a beautiful series of small, intentional daily choices to remove unnecessary distractions, so you can focus 100% on what truly matters to you. If you felt a sense of relief and calm just watching this video, please hit that like button right now, and let me know in the comments below, which specific corner of your home are you going to declutter first? I really want to read your thoughts. We drop deep dive interior and lifestyle guides just like this every single week. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now and activate that bell icon so you never miss a video on how to grow smart and live happy. Thank you so much for watching. Take a deep breath, and I'll see you in the next one.